Hey, if you wonder if you can actually connect your Realme 11 5G with the HDMI cable and, for example, the monitor or TV, yes, you can do this. But first you have to focus on your cable. So in my case, as you can see, I have double side the HDMI cable. So it means that I have to get some kind of the adapter. Because when you have here the USB-C, you can connect it straight into your phone. But in my case, I have to get something like this adapter that I can plug one of the end of the cable right here. And this second end I have to plug into my phone. But before that, I'll have to go into the settings. I will have to find the OTG connection and enable the OTG connection by clicking on this switcher. Next, I can easily plug this cable with the connectors into my phone. And now, the second end of the cable, for sure, I have to plug into my monitor or, for example, TV. And when I do this, I will have to switch this the image source from, for example, from the HDMI 2 to HDMI 1 and cast the screen of my phone by the wired method. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.